So today we will be discussing about the areas related to circles. This is a part of CBSE Maths of class 10. Now when we tell a circle, so when we talk about a circle, so a circle, as I say, something like this. So whenever it starts from here and it travels till this end, then I call it as a circumference, or I give it as a C. So if this is the radius, then I give my formula of circumference as 2 pi r. Formula of circumference is 2 pi r. As 2r is equal to twice of radius as diameter, I can also give this as pi d. I can also give this as pi d. Okay, so this is what is I call about my perimeter of the circle, or I can say the circumference of the circle. Now when I say what is pi, it was very precisely, it was given a long back. So it was given, and when I say pi is basically 22 by 7 that I have here, and that is 3.14. So earlier, very long back, one of our Indian mathematician Aryabhatta, he actually gave the value of pi, and he gave the value of pi then at approximately 500. See, so he gave the approximate value of pi to be 3.14. Okay, all right. Now if we go into what is the area of the circle, area of the circle is given by pi r square. Area of the circle is given by pi r square. So now one by one we will start doing the sums which is there in exercise 12.1. Okay, so we are going ahead with exercise 12.1, and here we will be doing the sums. First question, if I read out, the radii of two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumferences of the two circles. So this question is very simple and I did not write much. So here, or I did not solve much. What am I given? One of radius is 19 and one of the radius is 9 centimeter. Now I need to find the radius of a circle which has a circumference equal to the sum of the circumference. So C is equal to C1 plus C2, sum of these circumferences. Now I can find C1. I will find C1. What is C1? Is equal to 2 pi, okay, 2 pi into the r, which is 19. What is C2? C2 is equal to same 2 pi into 9. So what is C? What I told you, C1 plus C2. So what that will be? This is equal to 2 pi into 19 plus 9. Right? So that is equal to 2 pi into 19 plus 9 is 28. Right? 28. Now I can put the value, replace the value of pi, and I can find the circumference. Or here the question which states is I need to find the radius. So see, I need to find the radius. So what is the radius? Radius is 28 centimeter. I can easily say r is equal to 28 centimeter. So very easily, I did not do the whole sum to find out. I can easily keep 2 pi because I need the radius. I can easily find that out. Okay. Now going to the next sum. What is my second sum stating? Second sum is stating that the two radii of the circle 8 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having an area equal to sum of the two circles. So what will I do? Again, A is equal to, like the previous one, A1 plus A2. Okay, now what is my A1? A1 I can say pi r square, which is 8 square, plus pi another 6 square, right? So this is equal to, I can take pi common, and 8 8 is 64, 6 6 is 36. So which is equal to pi into 100. So 100 is what? Is equal to pi 10 the whole square. So what is my radius? Radius is 10 centimeter. Right? So radius is 10 centimeter. As simple as that. I need not find A1 completely. I need not find A2 completely to get the results. Find figure 12.3 depicts an archery target. So this one, archery target, marked with 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold's score is 21, and each diameter is given here. Okay, so diameter of gold zone is 21 centimeter. Okay, now, and each of the bands, so when I say width is equal to 10.5 centimeter. Okay, 10.5 centimeter. Find the area of each of the 5 regions. So I need to find the area of each of the 5 regions. So how do I go ahead doing that? So whenever I find the area, if I wanted to find the area of, say, the gold one, I can easily find the area. That's pi r square. So pi into 21 by 2 the whole square. But what about the red one? Red one is area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. Area of the outer circle minus area of the inner circle. That is the area of the red. Similarly, blue, area of the outer circle of blue and area of the minus area of the inner circle, that is of red. Alright, so that is how I will be solving this out. So now you see that I have drawn the same thing over here, and hope this is very clearly visible to you. Okay, now how will I solve this up is a question. Now what will I do is, I will first find the area of gold. Area of gold is what? Pi into 21 by 2 the whole square. Right? So what is it equal to? Pi 21 by 2 means 10.5. 10.5 the whole square. Alright, 10.5 the whole square. So now when I have it as 10.5 the whole square, I can easily find this value. I can say 22 by 7 into, I can do this as well, 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. This also can be done, and 10.5 the whole square also I can do and go ahead. Okay, 7 3s are 21, and then 2 11 times. Alright, there's a 2 at the down. So this is 11 3s are 33 into 21 by 2. Right? 21 by 2. So I can solve this out. This is nothing but 33 into 21. So 33 into 21 if I do. So in the traditional method, this is there, 693. So that is what we have it here. So this is 693 divided by 2. So that is equal to, right? So this is the value of the area that I have for, this is the area that I have for gold, right? Okay, coming to the next part. So now I will be finding out area of So here I have already found out the area of the gold region. Now I will be finding area of the red region. Okay, I will be finding the area of the red region. So now next coming to the area that we have for red. So in the case of red, what will we do? What is the radius of red? Radius of the red portion plus the gold portion together would be your 10.5 plus another 10.5, which is 21, right? So what is your area of red portion, which will be area of red plus green minus area of gold, sorry, red plus gold minus area of gold. So what is area of red plus gold? I will have pi, and here I will have 21 the whole square if I take common. Okay, minus I have pi, gold was 21 by 2 the whole square. So if I take pi, I can have it as 21 the whole square minus 21 by 2 the whole square. I can always solve it in the traditional method. Okay, so and go ahead, or I can use a square minus b square, that means 21 plus 21 by 2 into 21 minus 21 by 2, right? So that is equal to pi 21 if I take out 21 from here, 21 from here, if I take out it will become 21 the whole square, right? If I take 21 from here and 21 from here, so I will be remaining with what? 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2, right? So now this is equal to pi 21 the whole square, and what do I have here? I have it here as 3 by 2 into 1 by 2, right? So I have it here. So this is equal to 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 into 3 by 4, right? So 7, 3 is 21, 4 is there, I'll strike it with 2, 11. So I will have 11 into 3, so 11 into 9, 99 into 21, 99 into 21. So how much I will have? The same 99, and I will cross it, 9 to the 18, 198. So I will have it as 9, 9 plus 8, 17, 10, 2079. So I will have it as 2079 by 2, 2079 by 2, which will be equal to 1036.5 centimeter square, right? So this. Next, coming to the next part, what it will be? The next part would be, I need to find the area of this. I have found the area of this, which is this minus this. Now, if I want to find the area of this, what will I do? I will find the total area minus this area. So that is how I will go ahead. Now, next. Again, there is an increase in the width of 10.5. So earlier, what was my radius? 21. So what will be the radius when blue is also considered? So going on for blue. So when I consider blue as well, so what is the radius of blue? Radius of blue means blue plus red plus gold. Blue plus red plus gold. So that will be 21 plus 10.5 again. So that was 31.5. Right, 31.5. Now when I have 31.5, I will find pi r square, that is this r square minus the previous one. Okay, so what I have it, pi r square is, I will say pi into 31.5 the whole square, right, minus whatever was my previous answer. So 1036.5. 1036.5. So I will find this answer and minus it up. So I leave this to you to complete it, and now we will move to the next question. So what is my next question I have? Next question I have, I'll leave the rest to you to complete. In case you do not understand, let me know. I will solve this question once more. Okay. Next we have the wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. So wheels of a diameter, it is 80 centimeter each. So what will I do? So when I have a wheel, so this wheel, it has got a diameter of 80 centimeter. It has got a diameter of 80 centimeter. Okay. How many revolutions? Revolutions means this area will be considered how many revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes. So what is my time given to be as 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour. So remember, always remember that one is in minute and one is at hour. So this is 10 by 60 hour. Right, I've converted. And what is the diameter I have? Diameter is 80 centimeter. Right, diameter is 80 centimeter. So now what will I do? My question is how many revolutions does it have? So now first for this revolutions I need to find circumference. Revolutions is the end. This will go on moving. So circumference. So I have it as 2 pi r, or I can say it as pi d. So what is pi d? Pi d is 22 by 7 into 80. Or here in this case, I will not use 22 by 7 because it will be difficult for me to multiply. So in this case, I will use 80 into 3.14. So now you see 8 4s are 32, 3, 8 1s are 8, 11, 24, 25. Right? Now because there is a 0, what happens? Instead of the decimal being here, it will move here. Right? So it is 251.2 centimeter is the circumference. Now it is traveling at a distance of 66 km. So what is the distance it has traveled totally? Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is 66 km into 10 by 60. Right? 11. So 11 kilometers it has traveled. Right? 11 kilometers it has traveled. And here it is 251 by 2 centimeter is the circumference. So number of revolutions is how much? Which is equal to 11 into, if I do 1000, it will move into meters, into another 100 will make it centimeter, divided by 251, 2 into 10, let me put. So I just need to solve this. Right? So if I solve this out, I get this answers, the number of revolutions. Okay. Now moving to the next question. It might be coming in points, but doesn't matter. We'll take that as a whole. how many, oh sorry, tick the correct answer in the following, justify your answer, justify your choice. If the perimeter of the area of a circle are numerically equal, then the radius of the circle, so if perimeter is numerically, if the perimeter and the area, so pi r square and 2 pi r is numerically equal, then the radius of the circle is. So herein you need to find out how would it happen. So it tells me in this way, stating that for a circle pi r square is equal to 2 pi r. So and in which case can this happen? What is the case that this can happen? So pi r square is equal to 2 pi r. So I can always say that I need to find the radius. So I will say r square by bringing r here. This is 2 pi by pi, right? So you see r and r gets cancelled, square. Pi gets cancelled. So r will be equal to 2 units. So 2 units. So which is your correct answer? This is your correct answer. Thank you.